the finest of our harvest crops we grow, that we may live. Take our plowing, seeding, reaping, hopes and fears of sun and rain, all our thinking, planning, waiting, ripened in this fruit and grain. All our labor, all our watching,